I recently read the book at the compound effect but author Darren Hardy to understand what the compound effect is. Let's play out a little scenario now. Pretend someone offered you the following. Put in 30 minutes a day, the same time every day to push your skills and show improvement. At the end of first week you will get $10 with 10% raise at the end of each week if you consistently put in the time after day, or you will offer $5,000 to put in the same amount of time, but you don't need to do it on a consistent basis and you don't need to improve your skill. You can just use your existing skill sets. Now which will you take? Let's see. You took the first option and you friend takes the second. You start putting in a small amount of consistent work each day. After an entire month of daily efforts, you have made $51.01. Meanwhile, your friend is in cash in a check for $5,000. After the second month, your friend is rubbing it in your face. He just made $10,000, not needing to push himself, and here you are working day after day for a petty $125.81. Up at this point, your family starts suggesting that you should take the other offer as it's still on the table. But you don't get discouraged. You believe in what you are doing and you know the hard work will pay off one day. After the third month, people are getting downright angry with you. You are only made $235.24. They think you made stupid decisions and beg you just take the other offer, but you ignore them and keep proceeding. A year goes by, you only have $15,541 to your friend $61. He is living a comfortable life and doesn't really have a care in the world. Meanwhile, people are openly ridiculous you for giving up such a great opportunity to make easy money. Only after 16 months have you made the same amount of money. Your friends and family only have one thing to say. It's about damn time. After 60 months of putting it in the work day after day and receiving a 10% increase at the end of each week, only now you are starting to see significant result. The next month you make $40,000 in 1 month. The month after that, you make $59,000. At the end of second year, you have accumulated just over $2.2 million, an average of $1.1 million per year. To your friends, 68,000 year. Your family and friends are dumbfounded. Your friends can't help but think he's missed out on something significant. Sure, he is comfortably with 60 grand a year, but he will file with regret. What this story illustrates is that small, unsexy but smart decision made consistently every day that in aligned with your big visions lead to seemingly incomprehensible and incredible results that you can be truly proud of. One day, author Darren Hardy calls us the compound effect. Darren is a multi-millionaire and he's interviewed 6 successful entrepreneurs a month for his magazine. Successfully, he found that almost all self-made million success uses the compound effect. He says what most interesting about this process to make is that even though the results are massive, the step in the moment don't feel significant. The change are subtle. They are almost imperceptible. The small change you make every day offer no immediate result, no big win, no obvious I told you so payoff. So why bother? It's hard not to think this way when we live in culture that promotes what Darren calls a microwave mentality. We expect instant download, fast food, and same day shipping. To stay true to the compound curve, we need to trade the need for immediate result for immediate alignment with our core value. Darren says your core values are your internal compass, your guiding beyond your personal GPS. They act as the filter through which you run all lives, demand, requests, and temptations, making sure they are leading you toward your intended destination. Getting your core values defined and properly calibrated is one of the most important steps in redirecting your life toward your grandest vision. When you know that what you are doing from moment to moment, that the choice and decision that you are making from moment to moment aren't aligned with your core values, you stop needing to have instant results show up in your life and content in knowing that you are becoming the person that you want to become. To discover your core value within your work setting, complete the following exercise. Think of someone successful within your field or the field you want to work in that you respect. Then ask yourself what key attributes most contribute to the success. When I do this exercise, I think of people that are curious, love learning, and push themselves to produce great things in the world. Therefore, my core values in work are learning and creating things that challenge the status quo. Not it's my duty to know if my actions are in alignment with my core values, so I need to monitor every single choice that I make while working. Darren says the most of us are sleepwalking through our daily choices. Half the time we are not even aware that we are making them. To make sure that I am aware of my choice during my work hours, I have started writing down every work related decision that I make. At the top of each hour, I write down what I focused on the last hour. Then, at the top of the pages, I write down my core value, learning and creating. I then objectively cross out even every decision that I made that doesn't align with my core value. This exercise has sharpened my focus. I have started to notice things that are aligned with my core values almost immediate. Knowing that I'm making small decisions that are moving me toward the person I want to become is enough to quiet my monkey mind from wanting to see instant result. The act of align each work decision with my core value provides me with the reassurance and motivation to stick with my daily pursuits of achieving a compounded incredible result in my life. Sometimes knowing that we are making good choice isn't enough to know that we were on the right path. The compound part, we need to focus and measure the percent gains, not them that gains in the initials. Example, if I would have focused on the net income I was making each month and how petty it was in comparison to my friend, then I have given up. By focusing on the month over month return, the percentage gain I was achieving each month, I develop a certain to stick with it. So during your pursuit, actively measure the percent gain and focus on your momentum. If your efforts are producing month or week over week improvements and your daily choices are aligned with your core values, then you need to be patient. We human routinely overestimate what we can produce in week, but we vastly underestimate what we can produce in a few months. 4 hours of sustained efforts, that was the core message that I gathered from Darren's book. If you are struggling to stick with your goals, I highly recommend reading The Compound Effect. If you would like one page, please read it.